I like excavators. I like excavators. I like excavators. I like excavators.
Hello everyone, welcome back to JC's World. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, but are we going to
extra figure?
This is the extra figure. Yeah, so today we're going to unbox Sluban's town construction excavator model. Yeah, and this is
8 blocks.
not 8 blocks.
This blocks.
614 pieces. That's going to take several hours.
Let's make the excavator.
First, make the excavator. Alright, let me just show our viewers what. Okay, oh, careful. Here it is. Yeah, okay. So these are the characters that are going to be included, I think. And these are some of the other models. And what we have is this one, the excavator. This is a model B0551. So let's start to unbox.
At the beat. It will be hard, right?
Da-da-da!
Where's the figures?
Where are the figures? Find them. Oh yeah, some here. You have to make a figure.
Open it.
Open the figure. Okay.
I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix the legs.
You mix them? I think the construction worker.
And then, but
Yeah,
I want to make.
Their hands and legs. So that is the figures package. This is some wheels and cords. Oh, it comes in so many packages. And this one base plate. Oh, so many small parts. Some walkie-talkies, radios here, another packet of small parts. Okay. And it comes on with the sticker and the instruction manual.
Again.
Okay, so we are up to only page 3 here. And then the fans, I think this is the base part of this one. For the part 2, the excavator to excavate. And JC did these fans and I did this. I'm not sure which one looks nicer. These are the next stages.
I put the fire hydrant there.
Put the fire hydrant there. And I think this is like JC actually guessed that I think this was supposed to be the gate. Open, close.
Close it.
Close it? Alright. Close. There. I think this house is renovating. That's why the excavator is there. So this is a chassis, and now what I'm doing is completing the tracks. And it's easier to do if you organize them. I find it's easier to do. Okay, so I'm about like 80 or 90% nearly done. See? It is looking like an excavator now. Yeah. Scoop the dirt. Oh, I see the contract. The person who's you put it inside there already. Put him inside there. Yeah. Okay, we shall finish it and faster finish it, and we'll see how the excavator works. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's continue. Hooray! You're finally done.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our excavator. This, oh, you knocked down. You knocked him down. Oh, what's so cool about this is that, you know, it can actually like go up and down.
And turn.
Oh, and you can turn as well. 360 degrees. Oh, I like that. Oh, and then it comes with like the manager. What do you call the person at who works at the work site?
Jackson man.
Construction man, yes, correct. So this is the boss. So he even has a binocular here. I like the binoculars, and I'm not sure what this is. Fire extinguisher.
The dancing there. The dancing, the boss.
This guy has a shovel. That's so cute. He's shoveling.
Oh, so cute.
Shoveling the.
Oh, so cute.
Yes, Calvin is also cute. And then these are some warning, danger. What do you call those danger cones? Cannot go in, cannot enter. Yeah.
I'm gonna put here because I cannot enter.
Yeah, you cannot enter the house, and it's some people's house, right?
Yeah.
He's going to. Oh no! Is he going to excavate? Boom! Oh dear! He's excavating the wrong thing.
Here.
Stop! So the manager is going to stop. Stop! You're doing the wrong thing.
And it's coming out.
Oh yeah. There's one figure inside here who's operating the excavator. Oh, it came off. Oh, so this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like up close.
This is the track, easily. The track can break easily.
Yeah, I have to be careful, gentle with the track. And they call it the Traxcavator.
Excavator. I call it excavator, but I call it Traxcavator.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Why?
Because it's time to go. So we had fun building this Traxcavator from Sluban. It might take some time. It is a bit tedious to fix the tracks, but it's actually a lot of fun. Do you have fun? Yes? No? You finally have your excavator?
Yes.
Lego, sort of Lego excavator.
Take this out and
Building
then put him in.
Your cabin.
And then close it back.
Oh, and then close it back. Okay. We'll do that later, alright? Now we have to say thank you for watching for watching this video.
And stop it. And
please give thumbs up. Is that how an excavator behaves? You're so funny. Okay, so what I was saying, please give a thumbs up, share this video to your friends or whoever
And family who wants to watch your video.
who wants to buy this, who may want to buy this set, or who likes excavators.
I like excavators. I like excavators. I like excavators.
Okay, thank you, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.